The AI coding world just took another interesting turn. Abacus AI has introduced a new product called AI SuperComputer, aiming to give users far more than just an AI coding assistant. For roughly $10 per month, users get access to a cloud-based computer that stays online 24/7. Instead of only generating code, AI agents can build complete applications, connect databases, deploy services, host websites, and keep them running on public URLs without requiring users to manually handle the infrastructure. The platform provides an Ubuntu-based cloud environment equipped with 2 virtual CPUs, 8 gigabytes RAM, persistent storage, SQL databases, S3, compatible object storage, SSH access, terminal access, GitHub integration, AWS connectivity, custom domains, and built-in HTTPS deployment. The key idea behind the product is simple. Modern AI can already create software, but deploying and maintaining that software still requires additional work. Abacus wants AI agents to handle those steps as well. The environment supports multiple coding agents working inside the same cloud workspace. According to Abacus, users can work with tools such as Abacus AI CLI, OpenAI Codex, Anthropic Claude Code, and Google's Gemini-powered coding systems. Since AI models evolve rapidly, available versions may change over time. One of the most impressive demonstrations involved deploying an open-source language model. Using natural language instructions, the AI agent automatically configured servers, created a backend application, downloaded the model, handled storage limitations, configured Nginx, verified functionality, and ultimately launched a publicly accessible chat application. This approach aligns with the growing demand for private AI deployments. Many businesses prefer sensitive information such as healthcare records, legal documents, financial data, or internal company information to remain under their own control rather than being processed entirely through third-party APIs. Running AI models inside a dedicated cloud environment can reduce dependence on external providers, avoid certain API costs, and provide greater control over infrastructure. However, compliance requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, SOC2, and other regulations still depend on the overall system design and operational practices. Abacus also highlights several security measures, including encryption of stored and transmitted data, customer ownership of inputs and outputs, and claims of compliance with major privacy standards. Another demonstration showcased an AI-generated CRM platform. Starting from a simple prompt, an AI agent created and deployed a complete customer relationship management system using Django, PostgreSQL, Unicorn, and Nginx. The CRM included customer databases, sales pipelines, scheduling tools, analytics dashboards, role-based permissions, and real-time data management. More importantly, the application remained online continuously, allowing multiple users to access and update information from different locations. This persistent hosting capability is a major part of Abacus's vision. Rather than creating temporary demos, the platform is designed to keep applications running with stored data, files, and databases intact. The company also demonstrated AI-generated gaming projects. In one example, an AI agent created a browser-based endless runner game featuring advanced visual effects, responsive controls, scoring systems, and deployment to a public website in under 9 minutes. A separate showcase focused on desktop software. Using AI-assisted development tools, an agent built a macOS productivity application called Night Owl. The AI generated artwork, designed the interface, configured the development environment, resolved package conflicts, implemented knowledge retrieval features, tested the application, and packaged it for distribution. These examples highlight an important shift in AI development. Future competition may not be determined solely by which model writes the best code. Instead, the winning platforms may be those that combine coding, infrastructure, deployment, storage, databases, monitoring, and hosting into a single automated workflow. Of course, limitations still exist. The provided resources are sufficient for prototypes, internal tools, dashboards, APIs, and lightweight AI services, but they are not designed for large-scale enterprise workloads, heavy GPU computation, or massive production systems. Additionally, many of the current performance claims come directly from Abacus's own demonstrations and marketing materials. While some users praise the platform's value and convenience, Others have reported concerns related to pricing, reliability, and available credits. Even so, the launch offers an interesting glimpse into where AI development tools may be heading. The future may belong not only to AI models that can write code, but to systems capable of transforming an idea into a fully deployed and functioning product with minimal human involvement.